What is up? We're going to go over some really exciting stuff today. I'm going to go over 5 different ways you can earn $30 an hour viewing websites. Literally, there are so many companies out there that need people to test their websites for them and literally just view them. And it's a really easy way to earn as much as $30 an hour. I'm going to show you 5 different websites that will pay you to do this. This is a great job to have. It's a great way to make extra money. And I'll be going over everything right here on my computer. I'll be walking you through what these websites are in a Louis Vuitton jacket. Let's get it. Okay, so once again, what we're going over is 5 different ways you can earn up to $30 an hour viewing websites and literally browsing the web. So I understand this sounds too good to be true, but it is working. And I'm going to show you, if you hop on my computer right here, you'll see I'm on the first website. It's called trymyui.com. You can get paid to test. And see, it says start user testing today. And where you're going to go is get paid to test right here. Okay. Now it explains a little bit about what it is to become a Try My UI tester. And as you see right here, it says you will get paid $10 for every test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. So you do the math, that's $30 an hour. If you take a test after a test after a test, you're earning $30 an hour. All you have to do as a tester is be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in real website and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developers can understand your experience. So what you'll be doing is you'll be saying, okay, this button is kind of out of place, or, I don't understand what this does, and it's kind of weird that this is not capitalized. Just talk about what you're thinking when you're using a site. It's that easy. Can you do that? If you can, type in I can do this in the comments. This is this easy. And just as a side note, I'm going to go deeper into this site as well as the 4 other sites. But if this is cool and if you like learning ways to make money online, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, because every single day I'm going over new ways you can make money working for yourself. So you don't have to go to college. You don't have to go through that boring classwork. So you don't have to go to your job that you dread going for that boss that doesn't even appreciate you. You don't have to do that long, hour-long commute. You can just work from home like I do. Have fun doing it. You get paid via PayPal. So as you see right here, payments are made via PayPal. So you want to put in your correct PayPal email address. You can do this anywhere in the world, and as you see, it gets payment via PayPal. So let's go into how it actually works. So when you sign up, let's look through the guidelines for testing. So they're going to make you agree to some guidelines. I just took screenshots of the guidelines because you can't come back after you check all the boxes. So you have to read all of the instructions out loud. You have to put yourself in the right frame of mind. You have to perform all the tasks that they ask you on the website in order. So they're going to ask you to do different tasks like sign up for this and try to create an account or a profile and they want to see how everything works. They want to see how you use the site. Next thing is they had instructions here. They said follow task instructions closely. They might, as I said, they might want you to upload a picture, whatever you do. Always keep talking. That was the main thing. They said always keep talking. Pay attention to little things that can be improved. There's going to be a survey after you use the site for a couple minutes. And then what they do before you can start taking tests is you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement. This is just a normal legal agreement. It basically says, a lot of these websites that you'll be testing, they're not released to the public yet. And sometimes they're for startup companies or people operating in stealth mode. They don't want you talking about it, they don't want you actually showing the tests, you testing sites on YouTube or whatever, because these are things that, are kind of secret. They're just getting a little feedback here. So you just agree to that, and then you are off and you can start taking tests and start earning money, which is really exciting and really cool. So let's go over the 4 other websites that you can use to earn as much as $30 an hour just viewing and testing and browsing websites. Now, there are 4 other websites where you can actually browse and test and view sites and make money doing it. Some of them, though, what's really exciting is you don't even need a computer, right? So first off, if you're starting an internet business, you should have a computer. Like, if you're really taking this seriously, get a laptop. But you can use your phone to test apps and do the same thing with your smartphone on sites like User Testing. So here's the next website. It's called User Testing, and you can go on there and start earning money for the same thing, right? So you just go paid to test right there, and you click that. As you see, you can earn up to $60 per test, so you can make more money. So each of these sites has, slightly different customers. So I don't know how, long the tests are, but $60 a test is a lot of money. And you may not even have to use a website. Again, you can make money just using your smartphone. You can make $60 just browsing something on your smartphone, as long as you're saying, this is weird, it's hard to upload a photo, this weird ad just popped up, and you can earn that money, okay? So, just life is so easy these days. It's unbelievable. Here's the third site. It's called User Feel, okay? User Feel. And you would click right here where it says become a tester. And you could, watch the video to see how it works if you want, but we're just gonna go right into things, okay? Become a tester and earn $10 per test. So this site, you can make about the same amount of money. It takes 10 to 20 minutes per test, and you can complete the test from either your home computer or from your smartphone. So once again, you can do tests for companies just on your smartphone. Right? You don't even need a computer. So if you are trying to earn a little extra money and all you have is a smartphone, try this out. Once again, like, if this is easy money, just go in the comments and type in easy money, because this is insane. This is unbelievable how crazy and cool this is. And there's so many websites that do this. It's great. So let's go to the last two, which is, the next one is, the fourth site is what users do and why they do it, okay? So you can use this site right there, and once again, you're getting paid to test websites, and you're helping companies improve their websites on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. And you just sign up, click to become a tester, you fill out some information, and you're off to the races. And the very last one, which is a newer company, is called Enroll. And Enroll is another site where you can get paid to test. Again, let's make the web a better place. Because they have a cow. It's funny. But you will get paid through PayPal once again. So, you get PayPal money, you're helping the internet, and they've paid out about for 600,000 tests. So if we figure that their tests are also $10 a test, that's like $6 million that's been paid out to people like you for taking tests. So you could make a full-time income off of this. What I recommend you do is, I actually recommend you sign up for every one of these, because there may be different tests on these different platforms. So you just find whatever tests you can take and sign up for all of them. And if you are going to sign up for all of them, be like, I'm signing up. Let me know. If this is exciting stuff, just tell me. You're signing up for all of them. Boom! I hope you got some value from this. Those are 5 different ways you can earn up to $30 an hour working from your smartphone or your tablet or your computer. And you know what? If you got a lot of value from this, make sure to hit that like button as always. It helps me out. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about how to make money online and work for yourself. And if you want to learn about how I actually make money, because you might be saying, well, John's over here doing videos, why isn't he doing just tests? I earn about $900,000 a month. Yeah, I know, that seems pretty crazy, right? Like, even I scratched my head and I'm like, how did this happen? And I do it through what's called affiliate marketing. I market other companies' products and I make a commission for connecting people. I do that through a lot of different methods. But if you want to learn more, there's a couple ways you can connect with me to learn how I make a living online. You can join my money club, which is right next to the subscribe link, $50 a month. And you get access to talk to me, live Q&As. Your network is your net worth. and 2 times a month, they're live streams. And also you get a little like mini course archive of unreleased, not public footage of videos that will show you how to be an entrepreneur, how to do affiliate marketing, how to get the entrepreneur mindset, everything step by step to help you so you can be making, more than $30 an hour. So you don't have to be trading your time for money, because at the end of the day with this is a great way to start earning some extra side cash, but you're still trading your time for money. And if you really want to go deep with me, you can sign up to be a student. I have a 6-week course. It's $2,000. It's called the Super Affiliate System. Links are in the description. Hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you soon. And as always, drop out of college. If you're still in college, what are you doing? These boring old people standing behind podiums, you're learning from them. You can learn a lot more on YouTube. And if you're still working a job, you know what? Come on, man or woman. Start your side hustle. This is the year. Start your side hustle. There's so many opportunities. You can be making $30 an hour testing websites. Get with it. Replace your full-time income and then start working for yourself. It's much better when life's flexible. You get to spend more time with your kids, on vacation, traveling, with your family, whatever you want to do. And also, as always, take back control of your life. Don't let social media control you. I see you accidentally just picking up your phone for no reason whatsoever other than you're gonna see if there's another notification from your social network. It's sucking you in, people. So take back control, okay? And you use social media to make money. You use the internet to make money. Don't let the internet or the technology companies use you. So let's get it. Let's start a revolution here, because it's already happening. Let's do right here on this channel. Money Club, baby. I'll talk to you guys soon.